We vlogging the new bitch. Night before the show.
She ain't tryna take to my dick right guns. She gon' give me like bitch, I'm like Miller. I'm Americano, but I look like vanilla.
That's for y'all niggas. We in this bitch.
I need my dick sucked and the bitch popped up. She my slut. She finna suck it up in a black bitch truck. Yo, she suck.
Hit that shit like twice, then I would just be tossing them out the window, bro. Yeah, and it's $20 or like fucking 21, bro. You feel me, bro? Yeah.
It's cool, like picture.
Hey, bro.
Yeah.
Wait, I need to get the water. Big boy move. Can you open it? Oh. Shit. Look at this man. It's a legend right here, JEMA. Water and everything. Look at this man. He's a legend. Water and shit. You got the drink.
Fuck. Wait for that nigga Reese for these niggas to find a parking spot. Turns out them niggas didn't let us in with the water. What the fuck? Are we gonna be able to smoke in there? I'm scared.
Hey, do you gotta show the ticket too?
We just gotta show this. I guess so. I don't know, nigga. I don't know shit. I know as much as y'all niggas know. Yeah, bro.
Oh shit.
You guys are last on spell check.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I was like, I mean, I'll go in there. I just want to see it. We can't vlog when we go in there though. But what I got? Hey, you know how we come in?
I can't do that shit.
Actually, everything that we were supposed to be winning gave up no more medals all over me. First thing most to me. Actually, I was supposed to be. Actually, I was supposed to be. Why do y'all know me? We came here to turn the fuck up today. We came here to turn the fuck up in this bitch. So I'm gonna get closer in this bitch, bro. Bro, I'm so blessed to be here, bro. Talk cause you're so fine. And we know I'm living fast and we alright. And I ain't know what this is cause I'm so fine. And you know I got your back so it's alright. I need everybody to really get lit for this shit. If someone don't like you, it's fuck up, right? Right? I need y'all niggas to get closer for real. Cause I'm a nigga for real. Let's get this shit. Look, if the cops knew what I knew, I go straight to jail. Say cops knew what I knew, I go straight to jail. If the cops knew what I knew, I go straight to jail. If the cops knew what I knew, I go straight to jail. We go straight to jail. If the cops knew what we knew, we go straight to jail. If the cops knew what we knew. Bro, say on the way. I let them roll it, then drag in your face. I let them roll it, then drag in your face. I notice how much she out of my face. No mess. She try to fuck me with her best. Yeah. Bro, keep the Glock in my back, no flex. Bro said he on the way. Bro said he on the way. I know, bro, let that drink at your face. I know this house no mess. She try to fuck me with her best. Yeah. Yeah. When they hate it, I can tell. I know he a pussy, I can sense it in my smell. I just fucked a bitch, I hate to leave, I had to bail. Cause the ops knew what we knew, we be dead as hell. So the ops knew what we knew.
Chalk in there, bro.
Come on, bro. Turn that shit up. Oh, okay, I'm trying, man.
No, wait. It's the next day after the show. We finna go link with GRITTYLEX right now. Cause she lit as fuck.
Hollywood, you see we outside. Hollywood. You know what the fuck going on.
I'm at GRITTYLEX. That's all. I'm geeked. Nigga, what?
They locked in for life, you hear me?
You feel me? Why?
Hey, and songs coming soon. So make sure you check those out, period. All that.
That shit coming soon. We gonna be out this bitch.
You hear me?
You feel me? Yeah, that shit gonna be all that shit is coming.